my God.
What are you doing?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.